Hear the crowd erupt, the crowd alive. Team Surge on the field, ready to thrive. Coach Machado's got a plan, victory in sight. This team's a force of nature, burning so bright. Tristan runs here, there, and everywhere. Rivals are saying he doesn't play fair. Dominic is dominating, opponents are hating. Connor makes a goal and starts celebrating. Colton in the midfield, weaving in between. CJ and Luca with incredible shots, making rivals scream. John and Elijah holding strong, a wall that can't break. Christian and Gavin, no chance to fake. Team Surge, lightning in the stride, passing with precision, goals they can't hide. Tristan, Connor, Jack's on fire, they go. CJ, Luca, Dylan, watch the net explode. Going full throttle, spread out, says Coach Machado. Bradley steals it from a forward, clears it away. Shoot, says assistant coach, lay it to CJ. One last shot, CJ has a chance. He aims it up, only takes a glance. Ball is set fast and high into the sky. Goalie jumps with all this effort, but he just can't deny. It's paying off, training and dedication. Never losing hope, always having motivation. Hear the final whistle, victors they appear. Game over, they're the champions this year.